specific needs in a remote learning scenario. They have also identified steps to address digital equity gaps, including support to provide modems for students without internet access and most in need of assistance. The Ministry of Education and Department of Education Services have identified learning platforms and other digital tools that will be used during online learning. The schools have introduced our students to these platforms and online resources and drafted additional guidance to parents on their use. The effectiveness of our remote learning provisions was tested and proven in mid-September upon the activation of remote learning at Georgetown Primary School, when approximately 258 households signed on for the initial session using government-issued laptops. Despite the effectiveness of remote learning, there will be instances when this may not be the recommended approach. Such was the case recently when the Ministry of Education decided to bring forward the midterm dates of its schools in Grand Cayman. The ministry took this approach when 16 high school educators who teach multiple classes were either in isolation or being tested, while others were assisting with the coordination of testing with public health for several primary and high school classes. As we anticipate the reopening of schools on October 25th, the Ministry of Education and the Department of Education Services stand committed to ensuring the safety of our educators and the more than 5,000 children entrusted within our care. As such, schools will continue to observe enhanced health and safety protocols. These include the frequent deep cleaning of high-traffic areas, such as canteens, the rearranging of classroom seating to maximize the distance between students, and the requirement of